Hello all, Namaskara. Welcome to the Joshi's Home and Delicacy. This is special peanut holige, peanut obattu. This is very tasty, healthy, and no maida used to make this obattu or holige. So it is very easy and simple to make. I will share some tips. If you follow, you will get this wonderful peanut holige, and this is very yummy to taste. So definitely everyone please give it a try. So I've taken 2 full cups of peanut and I'll be dry roasting the same. I don't prefer to peel away the skin, so I keep it as it is and grind it. So we have to fry this until it is crisp. So you can see how nicely it is fried. So I'll be mixing 1 full cup of wheat flour, then 2 full cup of chiroti rava, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, turmeric, a pinch of salt, and mixing all the dry ingredients. Now adding 2 full spoons of desi ghee and coating the ghee to the dry mixture. So this step really help us to get the great texture for the dough. So once it is mixed properly, add little by little water and knead the dough to a very smooth dough. So kneading plays a critical role here. So it is a little bit of effort because it is chiroti rava. It is hard while mixing, but the more we knead, the better the texture we get it, and the dough will get the elasticity. So little by little water has to be mixed, and the rava keeps absorbing the water little by little. And we need to knead the dough until we get a very smooth texture. So generally when I'm making the holige or the obattu, this dough I prepare in the very first step so that the dough has to rest and the chiroti rava has to smoothen up. So you can see the effort I'm putting mixing this dough. So I kept it for rest. Meanwhile, I'll be making the stuffing. So I've taken the peanut, grinded it, then added 2 cups of jaggery. So 2 cups of peanut and 2 cups of jaggery, and you can see. So while there's another tip, while you're grinding the peanut, so take breaks and grind it so that it will not leave the oil. So I've taken 1 full spoon of sesame seeds, elaichi powder, and mixed the dry ingredients. You can see our dough is rested for 3 hours. Now I'm adding half a cup of any cooking oil and again giving it a nice knead so that the oil is absorbed in the dough. So this is also a very critical step. So oil has to be absorbed by the chiroti rava, so we have to knead it properly. Again I have let it for rest for 30 minutes. You can see how smooth our dough is. So at this consistency the chiroti rava has completely soaked the oil and it is very soft. and you can see the elasticity. So I've taken 2 full spoons of the dry mixture and making it like a momo or just like a aloo paratha. Stuffed the dough with the mixture and rolling it like a paratha or a roti. It is very simple to make and very healthy because no maida is added and peanut has lot of good value. So definitely this is one of the go for Indian sweet. And this holige or obattu don't need any ghee or oil while we are frying it. So you can see so nicely our peanut holige is getting baked one after the other. So simple, no tearing, no sticking. So definitely worth a try. Please do try at home and do let me know how it turns out. Kindly like, share and subscribe. Do keep good care of yourself. This is my favorite holige and you can keep it for more than a week. And with every passing day the holige is very tasty. How do you like our recipes? Kindly like, share and comment. Also you can comment if you want to see any other recipes. I would definitely give it a try. Thanks a lot.